Hi, this is Stephanie Derderian with Chicago Skyline Homes, here to tell you about my visit to the GE Monogram Design Center at the Merchandise Mart. Chef John here told us about a lot of the new appliances that they have, especially induction cooking, which will definitely be in my next kitchen. Another oven that I really liked is this fast oven that does baking, broiling, convection cooking, as well as microwaving. The French door oven is a new product for me also, and it's so convenient to open the door sideways versus pulling it down and reaching in that way. And of course, Chef John made a gourmet meal for us while he was showing us all these products, so it was a wonderful visit. Before you buy your next appliances, I'd suggest stopping by the Design Center to see all these cool new things before you buy something that could be outdated already. So I hope this was helpful, and I look forward to hearing from you sometime. I'm Stephanie Derderian at ChicagoSkylineHomes.com.